ka open hearing and calm sitting jong ka National Human Rights Commission NHRC kabalalong hakanong ba shalong kalasiam yak sinjam hakabaide ba ka jingkai be anyu do yong hapo ka jalam me kalia halo kani ka jinglap jong ka jingdon ki jingle be ay manti wat chalan yu do yong kidkhot ka National Human Rights Commission kilabu ru ka jingkli habadon kani ka jingkai be an kamsem ladi setia kabarit bat ka e ka daw wala sa ay kani ka kambe an bakani peteng banle akumni nakaliang jong kidkhot ka National Human Rights Commission kilethu ba nakaliang jong ka sarkar jala lawan ben ikmat hakani ge herik bat kilapan pau ba kidan bon kit natrikam kibai menta bat de hangne basami kum kane.
Yesterday we have two cases where 6 laborers in one case and 5 in the other case were crushed under the debris. In one case it was coal mines. Because of flood in the coal mines, 5 laborers were buried. In the other case, under the debris, 6 laborers were buried. State has although disbursed the compensation at the rate of 5 lakhs to each one of the laborers. Some unidentified person were also there, therefore their amount is available, but the moment they are identified that the amount will be disbursed. But during the meeting of the Chief Secretary in the afternoon, as well as during the hearing of cases, the Commission has raised the query that when illegal mining takes place, it is not a small operation which can escape the eye of state authorities. So what is the reason that illegal mining is allowed to go on like this? The answer given by the state authority was that it involves a number of departments. Therefore, some lapse is committed. But we raise the issue that if the mining is lawful, it is in accordance with the law, the auction will be done, then revenue will come to the state. The illegal miner, otherwise a contractor, he engages illegally the labor. So the whole law is displaced. I think the authorities were convinced that even if it is a multi-departmental task, then some mechanism could be evolved to put a check on illegal mining and to avoid, because once it is a licensed mining, then all protective measures to protect the labor, to do mining only in a safe manner could be ensured. So that point was well taken by the state authorities, and we would like to have any complaint in writing in that area so that we may keep on keep the state authorities under check by asking them time and again these questions.